Well, the casserole is done. My broccoli chicken casserole is done. And I think I succeeded in what I set out to do because number one, it's high in protein, chicken protein. Number two, it's low in carbs because I used rice cauliflower instead of a bunch of bread. Number three, I made my own cream of mushroom soup with incredible ingredients, lots and lots of mushrooms. And number four, this topping. This topping is a combination of a little bit of breadcrumb, 3 tablespoons of rice cauliflower, and then homemade French fried onion rings using buckwheat flour. Wow, it's been a long afternoon. So let's go ahead and just take a little bit out here and see what I have. It's pretty saucy on the bottom. We could maybe just spice it up just a little. You know, this is gonna get a little thicker as it chills, but I don't want it any thicker. And here we go. It's absolutely delicious. The flavors all merge together. It's kind of a long production in a way, but I love doing it. So, yay, this recipe turned out. I really enjoy these French onion rings. Very good. So, thank you for staying with me. And I pray that your food and my food is blessed. Bye-bye.